everyone, this is Meera Gupta, and in today's video I am going to teach you letter writing. How to write letter. As you know, letter is two types, formal letter and informal letter. Here in this video you are going to know how to write formal letter. So dear students, what is the purpose of writing formal letter or what is formal letter? A formal letter is an official letter written for professional communication. Means what is the purpose of writing formal letter? The purpose of writing formal letter is professional communication. It can be written to government officials, teachers, principals, editors of the newspaper, etc. If you have to write a letter to teacher, principal, editor of newspaper, in that condition, which type of letter you will write? You will write formal letter. It is a long writing skill. So, before writing formal letter, you should keep these value points in your mind. So, first of all, the first value point is always follow the set format. Means always go through the format, follow the format to write formal letter. Adhere to word limit, don't cross word limit. The word limit should not be exceeded. Everything begins from the left hand side margin. Always remember, whenever you are going to write letter, and from where you will start writing letter? From the left hand side margin. Divide the body of the letter into 3 paragraphs. Okay. Write point, 2-point information as per question. Whatever the information is given in the question, you will use that information to the point. Keep the tone formal and official. Write short and well punctuated sentence. The sentence should be short and well punctuated. Take details given in the question. Okay, you have to take almost detail from the given question. Maximum information is given in the question. You have to collect that information within the question. Subject of letter should be a phrase, not a complete sentence, not a long sentence. Short and to the point. And presentation is very important. Okay. Body of the presentation here means body of the letter and how you are going to present your letter in front of others. That is very important. So, these are the important value points are given that you have to keep in your mind before writing formal letter. Now, let's see format. First of all, the sender's address should be written. After that, date should be written, and then after designation of addressee and address of the addressee. Okay, suppose if you are writing a letter to principal, so you will write to the principal. Okay, the principal. And then suppose if you are going to write a letter to your own principal of your school, so in that condition how you will write? The principal and address of the principal will be Devariya Senior Secondary School, Devariya. Then subject. Okay, subject should be to the point. That should not be complete sentence. You have to use phrase to write subject. Salutation. In salutation you will write whether you are writing that letter to sir or madam. Okay. Then body. What will you write in body? Introduction of your letter, content what you want to write, and conclusion. Means at the last you will conclude your letter in very short. Then complementary clause, and in the last of the letter you will write name of the sender. Name of the sender here means the name of the person who is writing this letter, and designation of the sender and the post of the sender who is writing the letter. Suppose if you are writing your letter, your name should be XYZ, and what is designation? Your designation will be student of 9th class, student of 10th class, 8, 7, whatever class belong to you. Okay. So this is the format of writing formal letter. You have to keep this format in your mind to start writing formal letter. Okay. Then you will get your full marks. Otherwise, first your format will be considered. If your format will be right, then your other content will be observed. Now let's look at the sample of formal letter. I have given 2 samples here. Just go through these samples to understand how to write formal letter. First sample is sample letter to the editor. Now here you are going to write a formal letter to the editor of a newspaper. Now just listen the question. You are Radha Ji, member of NGO Awaz. Write a letter to the editor of a National Delhi for a public movement to clean the Yamuna river. You must introduce yourself, describe how the people are to be blamed for polluting the river, and suggest the need for installing a water treatment plant to clean the river. Now, first you have to keep format in your mind before starting the letter. Here I have given this sample. The letter is written. Now just see the first your sender address, and here the sender address means any imaginative sender address should be here. Your own name should not be given. Okay, you have to choose the sender name from your question. First here the sender address is given 33, Jalbihar, Wazirabad, New Delhi. Okay, and then after date, and date is here whatever the date you can include. Okay, and then the editor, the Times of India. Okay, Connaught Place, New Delhi. And subject is need for people's movement for a clean Yamuna. That is given in your question, that you have to write a letter to editor to make people aware for the movement for a clean Yamuna. Okay. So here subject is given in a very means that is given in to the point, that is need for people's movement for a clean Yamuna. Now see how you will start. Sir, I am Radha Ji, member of NGO Awaz. I am writing to you in order to highlight the deteriorating condition of the river Yamuna. The city of Delhi is getting contaminated water from river Yamuna. The residents are to be blamed for this. They pollute the river with garbage, sewage and filth. The river water is full of bacteria, plastic, chemicals and other waste material. It is unit for consumption. The people have been demanding a water treatment plant. The authorities have not yet responded to the repeated request. I request you to highlight the problem in your newspaper and arouse public interest. We all need to get together in order to. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, Radha Ji. Okay. Now this is the first example, that to understand formal letter. Now see another formal letter. Sample 2. Sample letter to the municipal commissioner. Okay. The first sample is related to your editor to the newspaper, and the second sample is letter to the municipal commissioner. You are Mahesh. There are many stray dogs in your colony. Write a letter to the municipal commissioner, Delhi Municipal Corporation, Town Hall, Delhi 110006, requesting him to instruct the concerned staff to take away these dogs. Your address is 7/13 Sakti Nagar, Delhi 110007. Okay. So this is the question. On the behalf of this question, on the behalf of given this question, you have to write formal letter. Okay. And to whom you have to write this formal letter? To the municipal commissioner. Now see how you will write. Here the address is given in the question, and that address is 7/13 Sakti Nagar, Delhi 110007. And that you will write today's date, and then after the municipal commissioner, Delhi Municipal Corporation, Town Hall, Delhi 110006. This all information is given in your question. Okay. Just take the information, collect the information from the question only. Then subject, problem of stray dogs. You can see here only the phrases of words are used. Okay. Then salutation. In salutation you have to write the municipal commissioner. So here sir. Sir is your salutation word. Okay. Now how you will start? I want to draw your kind attention toward the problem of stray dogs in our locality. The number of these dogs is swelling every day. They are getting on the nerves of the residents of the locality. At night, they start barking in the chorus and create a howl of noise. Sleep becomes almost impossible. The sick keep tossing in their beds, and the students cannot concentrate on their studies. Nobody dares to move out of their house at night from fear of these dogs. You are therefore requested to instruct this is your closing lines. Okay. You are therefore requested to instruct the concerned staff to make a necessary arrangement and take away these stray dogs to help us get rid of this nonsense. Yours faithfully, Mahesh, or XYZ. Okay. So here means you have seen that two examples of formal letters are given, and I hope you understood it well. Now do practice more and more of writing formal letter, and always keep the value points in your mind before writing letter, and format must be correct. Okay. Then after your content should be to the point. So I hope you understood this. Just take any one question from your book and start writing formal letter. Take care. Goodbye.